Can you hear me? Mickey?
Aku bilangnya hai. Hai.
Hi, Huma. Welcome to the class.
Good
Mickey,
evening, yeah, good evening. Ay,
try again. Try speaking, Mickey. Ado. Mickey is saying ado. Okay. So, seriously, Mickey, maybe you need another gadget to join the oral test. Yang namanya oral test tanpa audio nggak mungkin lah ya. Jadi gimana caranya audio harus berfungsi. Okay. So, there you go. Rafiski, let's go back to you. Okay, chapter 8. We talked about this picture. Okay, so remember it should be you should continue the story, but it doesn't have to be. So this one is 2, 3, 4. Okay, Raviski, are you ready now? Let's start from the beginning. This was Gulliver. One day his ship sank in the ocean. Go on, Rafiski.
When Gulliver woke up, he saw a tiny human
Number 3.
Then when he's sleeping, the horse pulled Gulliver with a longboard.
Number 4.
Then he stayed in this town, and he helped the people for building a house.
There you go. Okay, so for the example, it's like that. How about chapter 7? How can we say the story in chapter 7? Let's check. Chapter 7 grammar is about, guys, please check your student book. What is chapter 7 grammar about? Guys, learners, ayo ngecek
Yes,
grammar.
miss. Yes, miss.
Ngecek grammar di sebelah mana? Grammar is on lesson 2 and lesson. Nih, ada tulisannya grammar central. Itu pelajaran grammar. Grammar is Rafiski, pay attention to your sighing. Helaan nafasnya terlalu keras. Pasti nanti ini siswanya pasti kesulitan bolak-balik menghela nafas. Kayaknya dia kurang bisa berbicara nih. So, I didn't ask you to stop sighing altogether. Boleh-boleh aja menghela nafas, tapi jangan terlalu kencang. Oke, santuy aja. So, let's try saying this story with Kalista. Kalista, are you ready?
maybe.
Hang on. Let me cover this part. Okay. Didengerin prokternya pakai grammar apa dan kalian ikutin. Okay, let's check. Kalista, I have a story. There are 4 pictures in the story. Okay, yang ini nggak usah. Sorry. Yang ini nggak usah. There are 4 pictures in the story. I will talk about picture number 1 and you will continue with picture 2, 3, and 4. Okay, Kalista? Okay. Rashmi is cleaning her house. Her neighbor is calling her, Rashmi, Rashmi. Yan. Now you continue the story.
Then the neighbor said that then the neighbor is talking to her
Rashmi kan ini. Then the neighbor is talking to Rashmi's. Kalista.
then the neighbor is talking to Rashmi's
Oh, kok bingung? Rashmi's. Jangan panik. Ibu.
Rashmi's mother.
Hang on. Kalista kenapa ngeblank tadi? Nih, kalau kalian panik pasti ngeblank. Jangan panik, tetap tenang. Semuanya akan lancar, oke? Tadi Kalista udah betul. Tadi pertamanya Kalista bilang, then the neighbor said, terus ingat, tadi pengujinya bilang, is cleaning her home. Berarti pakai is cleaning. Terus Kalista ganti. The neighbor is talking. Itu udah benar tekniknya. Jadi ikuti grammar yang dilakukan oleh pengujinya. Oke? Kalau pengujinya pakai is ing, berarti kalian juga pakai is ing. Kalau pengujinya pakai past tense, ya kalian juga pakai past tense. Oke. Go on, Kalista, picture 3.
After that, the
Kalista ngeblank betulan. Abang-abang Rasmi pulang ke rumah, gitu aja gampang. After that, Rashmi's.
after that, Rashmi's brothers is going home.
Then
they is cooking together.
remember, they is itu salah grammarnya. Yang betul, they are.
Cooking together.
Aha, santuy. Ih, Kalista mah tegang banget, sumpah. Padahal biasanya lancar-lancar aja. Santuy, santuy. Tenang, sabar, oke. Semakin kalian grogi, semakin gugup, semakin hilang. Mau ngomongin apa ya? Jreng. Udah panik dulu. Oke, santai. The third part is about yourself. Bagian ketiga adalah tentang kalian sendiri. Pertanyaannya tentang kehidupan kalian. So, I'm going to, ya, Miki nggak bisa sih. Oke, Miki, perhatikan baik-baik ya, jangan, walaupun nggak latihan speaking, Miki harus tetap bisa speakingnya, oke? Ini minimal catch tiger pada tuh. Kuma, let's start with you. This is part 3, bagian ketiga tentang kalian sendiri. Okay, Huma, so do you like cooking?
A little bit, but I don't like to clean.
Why not? Pertanyaan
Because it's
kebanyakan why. Sorry, pertanyaannya pasti kebanyakan why. Jadi kalian harus siap-siapin alasan. Kenapa why? Ya karena kalau ditanya why berarti kalian berpikir apa sih alasan itu? Why not?
because I don't like cook, but I like it.
Because I don't like cooking but I like it. Karena apakah kamu suka masak? Sedikit, nggak terlalu senang sih. Karena aku suka masak tapi tidak suka masak. Kan bingung.
No. I say
Check again. Uma, do you like cooking?
a little bit.
A little bit. Okay. Why don't you like cooking?
I like the eating part.
Ya, hang on. Jawabannya harus lebih masuk akal. Sekarang gini, kalau kalian ditanya kenapa kalian suka makan coklat, karena aku nggak suka buat coklat. Sebut aja, kenapa suka makan coklat? Karena coklat manis, karena coklat. Oke, so I'm going to ask one more time. Pikirin jawabannya baik-baik. Uma, why don't you like cooking?
It's tired.
Itu lebih bagus jawabannya. It's tiring. Okay, so what food have you ever cooked?
What can you repeat?
What food have you ever cooked?
Pancake.
Pancake? What are the ingredients?
It's sugar.
Nah, tuh kebanyakan.
Baking.
Tadi Miss Tati
Baking.
udah ingetin, jangan kebanyakan Kalau belum kepikiran, diam dulu, tarik nafas, baru jawab. What are the ingredients?
Sugar, flour, and sugar, flour, and baking soda.
Asal santai aja, oke? Let's check. Ini, mini, mini, mo, catch tiger button two. Let's go with Rafiski. Rafiski, are you ready?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so Rafiski, what rules are there at your home?
Sorry. The rules in my home is don't argue with your brother and sister, respect the parents, don't lie, tell the truth,
Rafiski ko yung
always say please and thank you, say sorry, agree to disagree sometimes, and over to help with the chores.
So, when
Ada
was
gak
the
sih?
last time you break the rule?
What, miss?
When was the last time you break the rules?
When was the last time? Can you speak it again?
When was the last time you broke the rule?
When I want to play with a friend, but my mom astagfirullahaladzim. My mom said to wash the clothes, but I don't want to wash the clothes.
Okay, thank you, Rafiski. Santai-santai aja, jawabnya juga santai. Kalista, what rules are there at your school?
Don't eat too much sweet, and then
Peraturan di sekolah jangan banyak makan permen. Ada, beneran. Kalau
yes,
enggak, oh ada. Kalau enggak pakai peraturan yang beneran ada di sekolah. Gampang. Wear uniforms, apalagi.
wear uniform, and then arrive on time. Don't bring phone without permission.
So, when was the last time you broke
Last week,
this week? What did you do?
uh, for
Pasti lagi googling. Don't. Ketahuan loh kalau kalian googling tuh pasti jawabannya lama. Apa yang kepikiran, katakan aja. Dipermudah kata-katanya. Jangan buat susah diri sendiri. What did you do?
for tell my parents when I can pick up.
So you brought a phone.
Yes,
Tadi pertanyaannya what did you do? Kalista jawabnya untuk ngasih tahu. Yang ditanya cuma kamu ngapain emangnya? Dengerin pertanyaannya baik-baik, jawabnya sesuai dengan pertanyaan. Okay, so what did your teacher say? Ceng, Kalista ngeblank lagi. Sumpah beneran. Kalista biasanya lancar banget jawabnya. Tiba-tiba begitu latihan oral test ngeblank terus. Santai Kalista. What did your teacher say? Terus gurunya bilang apa begitu tahu pakai HP?
it's okay because I have say to my teacher.
Santai aja, jangan terlalu tegang Kalista. Kalista dipikirnya jauh banget. Apa yang guruku katakan? Oh tidak. Okay, so the first thing that you need to remember is to stay relaxed and tetap tenang dan santai ketika oral test. Okay, so that's it for our practice. Do you have any questions? No?
Miss, can I speak Indonesian, please? Guru penjaganya siapa?
Let me check the hang on. Final test. Okay, wait. Hang on. Be patient. Okay. This one. Okay, let me share. 5B2, Mr. Andika.
Oh,
Okay, so it
okay,
will be
Miss, thank you. Mr. An
Okay, anything else that you would like to ask? Ada lagi yang mau ditanyakan?
I think no.
Yang lain mungkin? Arista, Vicky, dan Rizky. Ya, jangan meninggalkan Zoom kecuali kalian sudah dibilang tes selesai atau you may leave the Zoom room atau apa. Tapi kalau memang misalnya kalian sinyalnya jelek terus terlempar keluar dari Zoom, segera balik lagi tanpa harus dibilangi, oke? Karena tandanya oral testnya belum selesai. Ada pertanyaan? Lista kayaknya mau nanya tapi masih bingung pikir pertanyaannya apa. Miki, do you have any questions? Di chat box kalau nggak bisa keluar suaranya. No questions, Rafiski? Do you have any questions?
Miss, can I speak Indonesian?
Go ahead.
Jadi nanti kan kita semua masuk. Nah, nanti nggak perlu dipanggil, tapi nanti langsung masuk aja kan? Nggak perlu
Nah,
dipanggil satu-satu.
ada dua cara biasanya prokternya. Kalau Miss Teti, kalian semua dimasukin di ruang, kalian semua nunggu di ruang tunggu, waiting room, nggak bisa masuk ke Zoom. Yang masuk hanya bisa satu orang, satu orang, satu orang. Tuh. Tapi ada juga prokter yang senang masukin semuanya dulu, lalu kalian dimasukin ke breakout room. Tinggal masuk satu-satu, tapi tetap masuknya ke Zoom. Diujinya tetap satu-satu sama pengujinya. Oke. Jadi kalau memang harus nunggu ya sabar nunggu. Namanya juga yang dites kan, ya kalau jawabnya cepat. Kayak Rafiski tadi cepat jawabnya. Tapi kalau jawabnya agak lama ya bisa lebih lama lagi. Oke, semua kan tergantung yang diuji, bukan pengujinya. Kalau pengujinya mah waktu kalian kalau nggak salah satu orang hanya 7 sampai 9 menit. Oke. Oral test tuh hanya untuk level 5B hanya 7 sampai 9 menit. Jadi kalau kalian sudah 30 detik nggak jawab pertanyaan, biasanya akan dialihkan ke pertanyaan berikut. Oke. Tapi tandanya poin kalian ya berkurang karena nggak bisa jawab pertanyaan yang ini. Karena kalau sampai 15 menit kalian oral test juga, kaliannya stres sendiri nanti. Aku tuh selesai. Padahal ya kalian sendiri yang nggak bisa jawab. Kan prokternya cuma nanya. Jadi semua tergantung kalian. Kalau mau cepat ya berarti jawabnya cepat. Kalau agak lama ya nggak apa-apa. Tapi kalau terlalu lama nggak ada suara atau nggak bisa jawab, biasanya pertanyaannya akan dialihkan. Oke, ada lagi yang mau ditanyakan? Jadi kalau memang kayak tekniknya Miss Teti, semua ditaruh di ruang tunggu, jangan terus panik ya, jangan, Mister, gimana? Oh, biasanya banyak banget tuh yang kayak gitu. Padahal ya santuy aja, belum waktunya masuk kan ya. Oke. Dah, ada pertanyaan? Okay, so good luck with your oral test on Wednesday. Stay calm, stay relaxed. Asal kalian latihan jangan lupa latihan speaking, nyebut-nyebut yang ada di bukunya, gitu. Jadi pronunciation-nya juga bagus. Okay. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the group. Sama nanti kalau mau tanya apa-apa ke prokternya, tanyanya di grup. Jangan tanya di Japri. Nanti Mr. Andikanya juga jawab satu orang di Japri, tahu-tahu yang orang lain nanya juga di Japri, bolak-balik dia balas, nggak konsen sama ngujinya. Oke? There you go. Thank you so much for joining me for the past 2 terms. Makasih udah belajar bersama Miss Teti selama 2 term ini. Good luck with your oral test. Okay, everyone? Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye, Miss. Thank you. Welcome.